Good morning, everybody. Just go again and talk about the severe weather possibility that's been talked about since last week, and um, um, and yet, and yes, you can hear a train in the background, probably going to Memphis or coming this way. I don't know yet, but you can hear it in the background. There's a really nice sounding horn on it as well, but it could be going to Memphis, and it could also be going this way going to Birmingham or Chattanooga, or just one of those that stays in the yard. But you can hear it in the distance or in the background. But and I'm also, but yeah, the trunk or treat is still going to be this tomorrow night, which is Halloween night, from 5:30 p.m. to 8 o'clock p.m. And if it rains, we'll have it inside. Otherwise, we'll probably have it outside, or have most of it inside and the rest outside, perhaps. But if it rains, it'll all probably be inside. And it probably won't be canceled, but kind of have to wait and see. But we'll be having hot dogs and perhaps hamburgers and perhaps even popcorn and stuff like that. But but everybody is welcome to come to it. Like I've been saying the last 2 or 3 days or so. Excuse me. Um, but everybody is welcome to come. We're not going to make you feel unwelcome. If someone does that, then we've got a problem. But we're not going to make anyone feel unwelcome. So if you're able to come, please come. And it's going to be an outreach type of event, which is very important when it comes to the fact that we're not just there for fun and games, but also for, most importantly, for encouraging people to give their life to the Lord, which is very, very important. And if you've never done that, you need to do is you never know when it's going to be your last chance or so to do it. So just please keep that in mind right now. Now, concerning the severe weather possibility, there is, the last I heard, a marginal risk for the northern part and the northern 2/3 or so of the state of Alabama, and a slight risk of severe weather in South Alabama, basically along I-65 south, from south of Tuscaloosa and south of Birmingham down to Montgomery and Mobile and Dothan, and also Auburn, the Auburn-Opelika area also. And as far as the marginal risk for the areas north of North Central Alabama, that means that severe storms are possible, but it's very low. But we cannot ignore any risk. We got to pay attention to the warnings that might be issued. Just because it's a marginal risk doesn't mean we need to let our guard down. We need to pay attention and be on alert. Same thing in the slight risk areas from south of Tuscaloosa and south of Birmingham and Ashton and Gadsden, all the way down to Mobile and Montgomery and Dothan and Auburn, Opelika, places like that. And from what I heard concerning that we may just have strong storms that are elevated and not severe, but you can't rule it out that we may have severe storms. And if that happens, from what I heard, damaging winds and heavy rain and hail are possible, and they're possibly a low end tornado threat. Yes, you can hear the train blowing again. You hear the horn in the background, but that's the threats at this point: the damaging winds and hail and heavy rain, and there's a very, very low end tornado threat. It doesn't matter what tornado it is, they're all dangerous, so keep that in mind and know where your safe place is. I hope you've been reviewing that since you first heard about the threat. If you haven't, you need to be doing it right now. So you gotta keep that in mind. Check the time. Alright. And excuse me. If now could it change again? Yes. But we're just gonna have to wait. We're just gonna have to wait and see what happens. Hopefully nothing will happen. We'll just get good old-fashioned rain and no damaging winds and no hail and no tornadoes. But it's that time of the year that we're in the fall tornado season, or we're about to start it up. So you gotta be aware anytime we have storms that come up. You gotta be aware of them and then be prepared for the unexpected. It's that simple. Excuse me. Now I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right now. I'll do another one after I get off work today. I mean, I'm at work, but I'm not. I don't go in until 11 a.m. This morning. I'm not working yet, but I will be in an hour or two, basically at 11 o'clock. So, just giving you a heads up on that. If you have any questions concerning the trunk or treat and the severe weather threat, feel free to ask me, and I'll answer them the best I can. But until then, I'm going to go ahead and end this video right now, and like I said, I'll do another one after I get off work today. But until then, y'all have a good day, and be safe, and I hope to see you at McDonald's today.